How to start dropshipping in 2024. Find the best wholesale platform that suits your needs. I have listed 3 platforms, but you can explore more. CJDropshipping, AliExpress, Alibaba. Decide the niche for your product. Example, home decoration, toys, women's clothing, men's clothing, home appliances, and more. Now choose a perfect winning product for your store. It should be in demand and make sure that it is not saturated. There are many tools to find the winning product. Set up your store using Shopify. Install the eye-catching theme and essential plugins to import your product with reviews. Offer 3 to 5 types of discounts on product. If free delivery is suitable according to your profit margin, then also offer free delivery. Now it's time to promote your products via your social platforms. There are 2 primary ways to promote your products. Paid. You have to pay a certain amount to promote your product on social platforms. It works instantly. You will be able to see the results in 2 to 6 days. Organic. You have to consistently upload content relevant to your product or niche to promote your product daily 3 to 6 times. You have to do this for at least 1 to 3 months. Then you will see positive results if the content is captivating and unique. Please like this video and share it with your friends.